I just woke up. And the day already won. I'm gonna take medicine today. My first time from this sickness. And I'm gonna go to sleep for a little bit longer.
You're this guy, and I'm blue. You're red, and I'm blue. Charge! Yeah!
I win.
I got 45 power on that. That one. Look.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I win.
You're red.
You was winning. Whoa! No, you won.
Yeah, I win.
Password.
Oh, it's kind of dark. Here we are
We go Ninny.
in a new house.
Dad, we go Ninny.
We made this all by ourselves with like. We need some flashlights. Look over there. Yeah, this is a door. I'll add some light. Caleb gets out. We made this. And then like inside is Caleb's room.
And this is
Caleb's room. And the entrance.
the entrance.
And then here's another entrance. Hi! 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 Hi!
Where are you? So,
It's also over here.
this is the back door. Oh,
That's our backyard.
hold on.
Yeah, this is our
Wait,
backyard.
oh,
That's our backyard. That's our backyard door. And this is what it looks on the outside.
very spacious indeed.
It's so cool. I need more pillows to build the backyard. I need some like boxes and stuff.
Fancy.
Mommy.
Does your person have a hat?
Wait, now he goes. Why are your mustaches back up? Alright, now Liam asked you a question.
Does your person have long hair?
I like you.
Yeah. So I keep up with all my lies.
So the person has long hair. So that means you have to put down all the people who are bald or who have really short hair.
So that's basically all the boys.
Natty, can you play?
And
Let me see, I play with you. Natty's playing.
oh, this guy's long hair.
Mom, can you play it?
Yeah.
Like,
Oh no, the phone!
No.
What are these toys?
Dinosaurs.
Oh,
Dino truck.
Dino?
Dino truck.
Dino truck. Super.
Does your person have earrings?
Got
No.
you. Where?
Does your person?
Well, Liam, you have one up. So you can guess who it is now.
Is your person queer?
Hi.
Yeah, so Liam won. Good job. So now you flip it up, you pick from the yellow pile again, and that's it.
Mom.
And look, wait, I have this DVD that we have to do. We're gonna watch Cinderella today.
We do it.
Yay! I love this movie.
I know, me too. Be kind. Always be good and be
Can I watch
kind.
it?
Yes, we're gonna
I
watch
have
it.
to put down all the people who've won.
So mommy's gonna set it up. I want to put it in the Disney Movie Rewards account first, because then we can see it wherever we go. I'm sort of into that.
Does your
DisneyMovieRewards.com.
person have glasses?
We always break our CDs, so that's a little hint, moms. Put it in your Disney Movie Rewards account first, and save yourself a trip to get a second one.